cuties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is my first long YouTube video, and in today's video I am going to share my weekly skincare routine. So let's just jump into the video. So for face wash, I am using this Lakme Blush and Glow face wash. I have been using this face wash since forever. And trust me guys, it is so gentle on the skin. It says that it suits all skin type, but I don't know about that because I have normal skin. But I have a friend who has combination skin and she uses this face wash. So I think true to its words. The next step is scrub, and for that I am using plum, chamomile and white tea face scrub. I have used a lot of face scrubs and it is the most gentle amongst all. You need to scrub twice a week and you need to be very gentle while using the scrub. Scrub deeply cleans your skin, and you can see I am focusing on the T-zone more. Today I will not be using any face mask because I have applied a face pack yesterday and it was a home remedy, so I will share it in any other video. You need to scrub your face for 1 minute approx, not more than that. Next up, I am using this Plum Bulgarian Rose Water Toner. It has a very fine mist. It hydrates my skin so well. I am just gently patting it into the skin. Then I am using Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Serum. I am actually using this serum for the first time, so I have to review this on any other video. You just only need a coin amount of product and that is it. After that, gently massage the serum into the skin. The product claims that it brightens up the skin. I don't know about it yet, but it definitely hydrates the skin. If you have dry skin, you can use Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum. It's a very good option in budget. I have used it. After using the serum, wait for 5 minutes before going to the next step. Let your skin absorb the serum first. The next step is moisturizer, and for that I am using Aqualogica Papaya and Vitamin C Moisturizer. You can see how much I love this one. I almost finished the tub. It is so hydrating and smooths my skin. It has a gel-like texture, so it is definitely summer appropriate. Then I am applying the leftovers on my neck. You should not forget that, as it is a part of your face too. Then the next and the most important step is sunscreen. And for that I am using again from Aqualogica Detan sunscreen. It has SPF 50 and it does not leave white cast on my skin. Take a good amount of product and apply it on your face because your face is expensive, not the product, and you need to protect it, right? It gives a very glowy, dewy finish and it is also very hydrating. Remember to cover every single portion of your face. When you are doing skincare, make sure you have time in your hand. Do not do your skincare in rush, and you should massage your skin well. The last and not the least step is lip balm, and for that I am using Maybelline Baby Lips. It is a very good lip balm. It stays on your lips for a very long time, so you don't need to think about dry and chapped lips. My skin feels so smooth, hydrated and fresh after the weekly pamper. Every girl should do it. Subscribe for more. Bye.